coming to another form to find the gradient is the intercept form. What is the intercept form? Where the straight line intersect the axis. Okay. So x-intercept means the line intersect x-axis, the point where the line intersect at x-axis, and y-intercept means where the line intersect y-axis. Okay. So in that case, if we know this, in that case the gradient is the gradient is represented as small m. Okay. So this is equal to minus y-intercept by x-intercept. This is the formula. Okay. You remember there must be the negative sign. Y-intercept by x-intercept. Okay, let's do some example that will be easy to understand here. Look at this. If we take this straight line, okay, here this point is, this point is 60 and this point is 4. So this is the line AB. So where the line, what is the x-intercept of this line? This line intersect x-axis at the point 60 and intersect y-axis at the point 4. So x-intercept is 60. So x-intercept is 6 and y-intercept is 4. Okay, where it intersect y-axis at the point 4. So y-intercept is 4. So this is the gradient is in that case minus y-intercept is 4 and x-intercept is 6. So this is minus 2 by 3. Okay. We have already learned how to find the gradient of straight line. So now we are going to learn how to find the equation of straight line. Okay. The equation, general equation of straight line is, you remember, that is y is equal to mx plus c. Okay. Where m is the gradient of the line. M is the gradient of line. And c is the y-intercept of the line. C is y-intercept of the line. Okay. So sometimes it's happened that gradient is given and c is given. We have to find out the equation of the straight line. Sometimes equation is given. We have to find out gradient or y-intercept. Okay. Let us take the gradient is given, gradient which is denoted by m is given minus half, and y-intercept is given minus 5. Okay, we have to find out the equation of the straight line. So y is equal to, we know, mx plus c. Y is equal to mx plus c. So in place of m, what we will put? We will put that is minus half. So minus half x, and in place of c, this is c. In place of c, what we will put? Minus 5. Minus 5. So the equation of the straight line is y is equal to minus half x minus 5. We can simplify it. So the equation will be 2y minus x minus 10. Or more simplified, x plus 2y is equal to minus 10. Okay. So in this way we can find out the equation of the straight line when gradient and y-intercepts are given. Now let the problem is given, straight line is given, y is equal to 3y is equal to 6x plus 12. This is the given straight line and we have to find out the gradient and y-intercept. Okay, so first of all we put it in the form of y is equal to mx plus c. Okay, first thing is we have to represent it as a general form y is equal to mx plus c. So y is equal to, here from we get y is equal to, we divide by 3 for both sides. So this is 6x by 3 plus 12 by 3. Okay, so this become 2x plus 4. Now this is the form same to the general form. Okay, so y is equal to mx plus c. From here we can get, if we compare it with the general equation, we can get m gradient m is equal to, here we get 2, and y-intercept we can get here 4. So in this problem equation of the straight line is given and we have to find out the gradient and y-intercept of the straight line. Okay. Now if the equation is given in some different form, it is given. Let us do the equation of the straight line is 4x plus 3y is equal to 24. It is given. Okay, 4x plus 3y is equal to 24. It is also equation of the straight line. From here we have to find out the gradient and y-intercept. Okay, so in that case also we first represent it as a general form of the straight line. That means y is equal to mx plus c. Okay, so for this what we will do, we keep the 3y in one side and take 4x to the other. So this become 4x equal to 3y is equal to minus 4x plus 24. You can write it, just take the 4x from to the other side. So it became minus. Okay, so now it is y is equal to minus 4 by 3x plus 24 by 3. So this become minus 4 by 3x plus 8. Now this is of the form y is equal to mx plus c. Okay, now we can compare with the general equation. So here gradient m is equal to minus 4 by 3. Here m, here minus 4 by 3. Okay, and y-intercept is 8. Okay, let us take another problem here. Here this diagram is given. We have to find out the equation of this straight line. Okay, and the point of intersection of x-axis and y-axis are given on of this line. So to find out the equation of the straight line, so what we have to do, we have to find out the gradient. Okay, and we know from the Cartesian coordinate how to find out the gradient. Okay, so the gradient of this line is, what is this? The difference of y, that means here is 2 and here is, this is 0. So 2 minus 0, and then by difference of x. So this is 0 minus 4. Difference of y coordinate, that means here it is 2, here it is 0. So difference of y coordinate is 2 minus 0, and difference of x coordinate, this is 0 and this is 4. 0 minus 4. Okay, so gradient become 2 minus 4, that is minus half. Okay, and y-intercept is this length. So as this point is 0, 2, so what will be this length? This is y-intercept will be 2. So y-intercept is here 2. So what will be the equation of this line? Equation of line is y is equal to mx minus half x plus c plus 2. Here gradient means this is m and y-intercept means this is c. So equation of this line is y is equal to mx plus c. Okay, so this is the line. Now you can simplify it, that is 2y minus x plus 4 or 2y plus x is equal to 4. Okay, that's the equation of this straight line. Let us take another problem here. Here given that the equation of straight line is 3x plus ny minus 5 is equal to 0. The equation of the straight line is given where n is constant. That n is constant and the gradient of the line is given half. We have to find out the y-intercept of this line. Okay. So the given equation is 3x plus ny minus 5 equal to 0. So first thing we have to do, we have to write it as a general equation of straight line. Okay. So 3x plus ny minus 5 is equal to 0. So we put y in one side and the other to the other side. So ny is equal to minus 3x plus 5. So y is equal to minus 3 by nx plus 5 by n. Okay, we divide both sides by n. So here we can get y is equal to minus 3 by nx plus 5 by n. Now this become in the form of y is equal to mx plus c. Okay, so now we can compare with this to our general form. Okay, so there gradient from here we can get gradient m is equal to minus 3 by n and y-intercept c is equal to 5 by n. Okay, we compare it with the general equation and we can get m gradient is equal to minus 3 by n and y-intercept is 5 by n. Okay, but in our given problem gradient is given half and we have found that gradient is minus 3 by n. So both are equal. The given it is half and we have found this is minus 3 by n. So these are two equal. So minus 3 by n is equal to half. So by cross multiplication we can get n is equal to minus 6. So we have find the value of the constant n. So now it is easy to find the y-intercept. What is y-intercept? Y-intercept is given 5 by n. So we just put the value of n here. We put the value of n here. So this is 5 minus 6. So y-intercept is minus 5 by 6. Okay.